Ever wondered if there's an alternative to spending your hard-earned money on every single thing you need? Well, let me introduce you to a time-honored tradition that predates the invention of money itself. It's called bartering, a simple yet effective form of exchange that involves trading goods and services directly with no currency in sight. Think about it. Say you're a whiz in the kitchen, able to whip up delicious meals in a flash. Your neighbor, on the other hand, has a green thumb and can turn a barren plot into a blooming garden. Now, instead of you paying for professional landscaping and your neighbor ordering takeout every night, why not swap your skills? A home-cooked meal for some gardening? Sounds like a fair trade, doesn't it? Do you know what else is good? Hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel? Bartering is all about finding that balance, that sweet spot where both parties feel they are getting equal value in the exchange. It can be as simple as trading a loaf of homemade bread for a carton of fresh eggs from a neighbor's chickens, or as complex as exchanging professional services like legal advice for website design. And it's not just about tangible goods or professional services. Ever thought about trading babysitting duties with another family? That's bartering too. You watch their kids on Friday night, they watch yours on Saturday. No money exchanges hands, but both families save on childcare expenses. Bartering isn't some antiquated idea that has no place in our modern world. It's a vibrant, practical system that's alive and well, and it's gaining momentum, especially in tight-knit communities and online platforms where people are looking to save money, reduce waste, and connect on a more personal level than just handing over a credit card. So if you're intrigued by the thought of bypassing the cash economy and putting your skills or possessions to work, let's dive deeper into the world of bartering. Who knows? You might just find that this old-school way of doing business suits you better than you'd ever imagined. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds interesting, but how does bartering work in our digital age? Well, let me tell you, it's not all about swapping chickens for a loaf of bread anymore. You see, the beauty of the modern world is that technology has made it so much easier for us to barter, to swap, to exchange. There's a whole world of online platforms and apps out there that facilitate this age-old practice in new and exciting ways. Perhaps you've got your eye on a vintage lamp that another user is offering. Or maybe there's a handyman nearby who's willing to fix that leaky faucet you've been ignoring. And it's not just physical goods that can be bartered. Services are also a huge part of the bartering landscape. The possibilities are practically endless. And the beauty of it all is that it's not just about saving money, though that's a big plus. It's also about building connections, about experiencing the joy of giving and receiving in a way that goes beyond the simple transaction of cash. And here's a little secret. Bartering can be a lot of fun. And who knows? You might even stumble upon a talent or skill you never knew you had. So next time you need something, before you reach for your wallet, consider reaching for your bartering skills instead. You might be surprised at what you can get without spending a single penny. And just like that, your homemade cookies could be your ticket to a car repair. Still not convinced? Let's delve into the practical aspect of bartering. You see, bartering is not just an ancient practice. It's a modern-day tool that can save you a pretty penny, foster community relationships, and even promote sustainability. Let's break it down. Suppose you're a whiz with scissors and a comb, able to create hairdos that would make even Rapunzel envious. And let's say your neighbor is a handyman who can fix just about anything. You need a leaky faucet fixed and they need a haircut. Why not swap services? It's a win-win situation that not only solves your respective problems but also strengthens your community ties. Lastly, bartering promotes sustainability. In a world where we're becoming increasingly aware of our environmental footprint, bartering encourages us to reuse and recycle, rather than always buying new. For instance, you could swap outgrown children's clothes with another family, or exchange novels with a book-loving friend. It's a simple way to reduce waste and make the most out of what we have. But that's not all. The beauty of bartering lies in its flexibility. You can barter just about anything, from gardening skills to homemade pies, from guitar lessons to car washes. The only limit is your imagination and your willingness to negotiate. Let's take a moment to recap. We took a deep dive into the world of bartering, a simple yet effective method of exchanging goods or services without the need for cold, hard cash. The beauty of bartering is its versatility. Whether you're trading babysitting services, haircuts, or even home repairs, The possibilities are truly endless. Try incorporating bartering into your everyday life. You might be surprised at how much money you can save when you start thinking outside the box. And remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Remember to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.